What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a full face of Maybelline makeup. And this is a look that I typically will wear like on a date night, you know. Just trying to look cute for bae or whatever. So if you want to see how I achieve this look and what products I use, stay tuned. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure that you hit that bell so you won't miss the next time that I upload. To hydrate the skin, I'm going to be using my Peach and Lily Glass Skin Veil Mist. Next, I'm going to go in with my Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. After we have that all patted in and absorbed, I'm going to be going in with my First Aid Beauty Weightless Liquid Mineral Sunscreen. And I tried to do the 2-finger rule that I saw on Twitter about sunscreen, but I don't think I did it right still. So to prime my face, I'm going to be using my Peach and Lily Skin Shield Blurring Primer. For my foundation, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Matte and Poreless Foundation, and this is in the shade 370 Deep Bronze. I used to use this foundation a long time ago, and I really don't know why I stopped. So these are the concealers I'm going to use to highlight. They're the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Concealer. The first shade that I'm going to go into is Hazelnut. And then I'm going to spray my face with my Glass Skin Veil Mist to help it blend. So I'm going to go in this one. This shade is Caramel, and I'm only going to apply this to the bridge of my nose and under my eyes. So for my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Nudes of New York palette. For my brow bone, I'm using the shade Heroine. And then to give it a little bit of highlight, I'm going to apply the shade Dreamer. I'm going into the shade Explorer for my transition shade. For my crease, I'm going in with the shade Self Starter. To line my waterline, I'm going in with my Tattoo Studio gel pencil in the shade Intense Charcoal. And then on my lash line, I'm going to use the shade Self Starter. For my lid area, I'm going in with the shade Founder. And next I'm going in with the shade Explorer to blend out the edges of that shade Founder. And then I'm going back in with Self Starter on the outer corner of my eye. For my inner corner highlight, I'm going in with Dreamer, which is the same shade that I used for my brow bone. I'm going to be using my Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. These are the Morphe Premium Lashes in the style Glambassador, and they are so fire. These are the perfect lashes for this look. So now I'm going back in and spraying my face with my Glass Skin Veil Mist. So I'm using the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick, and this is in the shade Mover. I realized that with matte lipsticks, it's best to pat it out with a brush versus patting your lips together. So I'm going to be using my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. I'm going to be applying this onto the high points of my nose and onto my cheeks. So I'm going to spray my face once again to make sure that all melts together and dry it. So this is the finished look. I feel like I look real cute. Like, I really wish I had a date to go on right now. But I'm just going to take some pictures. I was definitely scared of this lip color, but she's not bad. She ain't bad. Thank you so much for watching and staying till the angels. Until next time.